I want you to try both of these. To review matrices, the first one is a 2 by 2. That would be without a calculator. The second one, a 3 by 3, would be with calculator, but using the matrix method for both of them. Okay, here is the answer to the first one. See how you did? And then the second one is just with your calculator. Someone have the answer to the second one? Yes, to be 11/6, 11/5, 91/25, and 62. So we'll double check that. 62/25. Oh, nice. So this would have been a very fun question to do without a calculator. Well, you don't know how, we didn't learn the method to find the inverse of a 3 by 3. You want to look it up? All right, here we go. I'll put the answer to the second one up as well. 3, -4, 2, -3, 3, -6. So the Gaussian one, you don't need to get all the zeros. You just need to get the zeros in the bottom corner. I would probably switch this one around to put that 1 up top. So row 2 is going to equal 3 row 1s plus row 2. Row 3 would equal 4 row 1s plus row 3. All right, so that should have been a -7. So that's going to affect this and this. Let's see what it's going to be now. 2, -14, -25. I still feel like there's a mistake. That should have been a -7. Is there any other mistakes leading forward? 3, -18, -21, 4, no. 2 row 2s, -42. Oh yeah, I feel like there's a mistake in there. It is the same as the last one, so we know the answer already, and we haven't made a mistake even though it feels (62/25), and then you would plug that in and keep on going. Should we keep on going? No. We already know the answer, and we don't want to deal with the fraction. So on your test or on your quiz, I put the following hint at times. Your answers are nice numbers, so that if you get not nice numbers as answers, you don't continue to work with them and spend a lot of time and then check your answers later only to find out that they're wrong. So sometimes I'm nice and say the answers are nice on your exam. Are these the exact same one? Okay. So I want you to skip this one then, and because it would have fractions as well then in B. And go to the next two examples, and I want you to do them without calculator. So I want you to multiply these without calculator. Multiply them together. You get the identity matrix. And then, since it's the identity matrix, that only happens if A and B are inverses of each other. So then A inverse will just be what B is. What? This A inverse is equal to the identity matrix, or A inverse A is equal to the identity matrix. Oh, if I write it that way. If you write it with symbols and don't explain it, then I know it. Okay, try. And there's the answers for the last one. It's just 6 times the identity matrix. So if you divide by 6, then you get the inverse.